Hello students, my name is Diksha Avasthi. Today we are going to discuss about articles. You will learn how to use articles in your daily conversation. As you all know that the letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and all the other letters of the alphabet are called consonants. Now let's come to the topic. What are articles? The words a, and, the are called articles. We use them before nouns. The is called the definite article. A and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are used when we talk about something in general, not specific. Now we will learn the uses of a. A is used with singular countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns which you can count. A is used with singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds. We have some examples. This is a beautiful painting. Beautiful. First letter is B. It's a consonant. You will use a. Next sentence. You can see many stars on a clear evening. Clear. Clear first letter is C. This is also a consonant, so you will use a. We have one more rule. A is used with nouns that start with a vowel but take the consonant sound. Let's have some examples. I found a 1 rupee note in my pocket. 1. O is vowel, but it takes the consonant sound. Next example. My sister studies in a university in London. University U is a vowel, but it sounds like a consonant. Y-U. Next. A is used before an adjective that comes before a noun. Example. My mother is a nice cook. Nice is an adjective. Cook is a noun. We will use a before an adjective. My friend has a small puppy. Small is an adjective and puppy is a noun. We will use a before it. Now we will see uses of an. An is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Let's have some examples. Have you ever been on an aircraft? Aircraft. A is a vowel, so you will use an. Next. You cannot make an omelette without an egg. Omelette, first letter is O, it's a vowel. Egg, first letter is E, it's a vowel, so you will use an before them. Next, an is used before a noun that starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. Example, meet me in an hour. We have the spelling of R, H-O-U-R. The first letter is H. It's a consonant, but we are using an just because it has a vowel sound, R. Next, it was an honest mistake. Honest. Spelling is H-O-N-E-S-T and the first letter is H. It's a consonant, but we are using an just because it has a vowel sound, honest, O. Now we have the uses of the. The is a definite article. When a particular person, place or thing is spoken about, where we use the. Let's have some example. This is the place where the battle was fought. we are talking about the particular place where the battle was fought. The is also used with a superlative degree. We have 3 degrees of adjective. One is positive, comparative and superlative. Example: Einstein was the most famous mathematician. Most famous is superlative form, so you will use the before it. Next, the is used to refer to a time period when we will talk about time period. Let's have some examples. The future holds great promise. Here, future is a time period, so we will use the. Next, my mother played for India in the 1990s. So that time period is 1990s, so you will use the. Next, the is used when a singular noun describes the whole class. Let's have some examples. The rich should look after the poor. The rich refers to all rich persons and the poor refers to all those who are poor. Next, the whale is a kind of mammal. We are talking about the class of mammal. So here you will use the. Next rule is, the is used before names of rivers, oceans, seas, mountain ranges, countries, monuments and buildings. Examples: we went to Amritsar to see the Golden Temple. Golden Temple is a monument, so you will use the. The Himalayas are to the north of India. Himalayas are mountain ranges, so you will use the before it. Next rule, the is used while mentioning holy books, journals, newspapers, etc. Example: have you read the Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita is the name of a holy book, so you will use the before it. I hope you have understood. Let's do practice. We have one exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Number 1. A dog is a man's best friend. Dog. First letter is D, consonant. You will use a before dog. Man. M is a consonant, so we will use a. An elephant has a long memory. Elephant, E. E is a vowel. That's why we are using an before elephant. Third, the man who stole jewels has been caught. Here, we are talking about a particular man. The man who stole the jewels is being referred to. Number 4, the boys are playing football. Boys, plural. That's why we are using the. The peacock has a beautiful tail. Here peacock is referred to the class of peacock. All the peacocks. Next, the snake is a reptile. Here also, snake is representing the class of reptiles. That's why we are using the. Charlie Chaplin was a famous actor. Famous, adjective. We are using a before it. The Statue of Liberty is in New York. Statue of Liberty is the name of a monument. That's why we are using the before it.